In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration exercise 3.4, question number 4th, third part. And question we have, I is equal to integral of 4 minus 5x square dx. See, we have solved part 1 and part 2 of this question number 4. This is exactly the same. But here we had a square, but now we have 4. And here we had x square, we had extra coefficient which is 5. So I will show you how to solve it. This again we will solve it by parts. So this is the first function u. Second function is missing. I told you if we do not have the second function, then you have to multiply with 1, because anything multiplied with 1 does not affect anything. So this is the second function v. Formula, we are going to use u into v dx, which is equal to u first function, and then we have to do the integration of the second function. This is the double integral d by dx of the first function, right? This formula we have to use. Wherever you have u, you have to write down 4 minus 5x square, but wherever you have v, you have to write down 1 dx. D by dx of the first function, which is minus, right? Okay, so it is 4 minus 5x square, 1 ds, integration is x, this. Now for this one, right? How you will do? You do not have to do your derivative here. 4 minus 5x square, we are going to take the derivative d by dx, right? It is under root means 1 over 2. So how we will do? 1 over 2 will come up here. Here we have 4 minus 5x square, 1 over 2 minus 1. When we will do integration, we have to add, but on the other hand, in derivatives, we have to subtract 1. Now here we have to take the derivative of the function without the power. So this is constant 0, and it is minus 5 2 times 10 minus 10x, right? So it is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by minus 10x divided by 4 minus 5x square in the denominator, because this is minus 1. When you will solve this fraction, it is equal to minus 1 over 2, that is why. So here this 2 and this minus 10, you do not have to cross, you do not have to multiply here. Whatever is the derivative of this function, you have to write down here. Here we will cross, right? So 2 1 time, 2 5 time. So it is equal to 4 minus 5x square. It is multiplying with this. You can write down here, minus integral of minus 5x square is remaining in the numerator. In the denominator, we have 4 minus 5x square dx. So see, I am not going to make this positive, minus minus positive. Why? Because see, in the denominator we have minus 5x square. We have to make the same in the numerator, so only 4 is missing. It means we have to add 4 here and we have to subtract 4 here in order to make numerator and denominator same, which I will do here. Keep in mind that we had here I as well, because we have to use this. 4 minus 5x square minus integral of 4. We have added 4 and subtracted 4. It does not make any difference. So 4 minus 5x square dx. So now we will do it separate. 4 minus 5x square minus 4 minus 5x square divided by 4 minus 5x square. This minus and this minus will be plus. So we will do 4 over. Again, this will remains the same. and for this it's 4 minus 5x square, its power is 1, and this is 4 minus 5x square, its power is 1 over 2 in the numerator. When we will take in the numerator, it is in the denominator. When we will take this to the numerator, the power will be minus 1 over 2. Right, plus 4 is constant, we can take out from the integral sign. Here we have 4 minus 5x square into dx. So see, it will be 4 minus 5x square will remains the same. This is the important point here. You have to add the powers, 1 minus half. So 1 minus negative half, it is equal to positive half, and positive half we can write down 1 over 2 raised to power 1 over 2, and 1 over 2 means under root, like this. Right, plus 4 integral of, see, this is the important point here. We have to make this formula a square, and we can make it because this is 4 2 square, a square minus x square. But we have extra 5 here. We do not want 5 here. We want to eliminate this 5. So what we have to do, we have to subtract and divide with 2. So now we have 4 minus x square. Right, I will show you how to do this. And this one, see, 4 minus 5x square is exact the same whatever we had in the question, under root 4 minus 5x square, and this is equal to I. So instead of this here, we can write down I. So in the next step, I will write down this minus I, plus we will solve for this. Right? Okay. So it is equal to, I is equal to x 4 minus 5x square minus I plus 4 1. Okay, I will show you here what you have to do. Right, this one you have to do here inside, but please do not do it here. Okay, whatever the answer, I will write down here. So our, in the question we had left 4 minus 5x square. We have to eliminate this, so it will be equal to 1. We have to divide and subtract with 4. So here we have 4x square. So this we can write down 5, just write down here. See, this is 2, we have to make it a square. If I will make it square of 2, and this for 5, we cannot make the perfect square of 5, so we can make it under root 5 whole square. So see, 2 times 4, and under root 5 equal to 5 only. This 5 will remain same here, and this is x square. Now we have a square minus x square. So instead of this in the question, I can write down 5 2 over under root 5 whole square minus x square dx. So this I we will take here on the other side of the equation. It will be I plus I. Here we have remaining x into under root x minus 5x square plus 4. So this is under root 5. We can take outside the integral sign. This is constant. Here we have left 2 over under root 5 minus x square under root dx. Now we have this formula. This is a square constant minus algebraic function, a square minus x square, which is equal to sine inverse x over a. Right, so here it is 2i x into 4 minus 5x square plus 4 divided by 5, and this one equal to sine inverse x over a. So we have x here. Right, if suppose we have y or whatever, in general formula we have sine inverse x over a. So by chance it is x, and a is 2 divided by under root 5 plus c. So this is 2i. You have to divide this 1 over 2 x 4 minus 5x square plus 4, this is 2, right? And then under root 5 sine inverse x over 2 under root 5 plus 1 over 2 c, sorry, 1 over 2 c. This 2 times, so it is equal to 1 over 2x, and this is the last step, 4 minus x square plus 2 over under root 5 sine inverse x divided by this plus 1 over 2c. This is the answer. So see, this question is important from here. This one we have to make the perfect square, a square minus x square. So in x square we have the coefficient 5, we have to eliminate 5, which means we have to multiply and divide. Then we have to make the perfect square of this, the first term, which is called the constant term. If it's still any point is not clear, you can ask me, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.